Hey guys, I'm back on YouTube again. I know I come, I go, I come and go, but this time I'm actually back and I'm planning to stay here. So I thought, why not show you guys this gorgeous bronzy makeup look that I love so much, and it's my go-to. And I'm going to use a few affordable products as well, so let's just get into it. Actually not really sure where I'm meant to be looking, because I feel like I'm looking in the lens, but then I feel like I'm not looking at you guys, so I'm not really sure. But anyway, bear with me. This is going to be a learning curve. I'm rolling up my sleeves, getting ready. I'm going to start off this look with my two favourite products. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Liquid Poreless Putty Primer, and then the Soft Glam Satin Foundation. If you've not tried this, it's stunning. I use the shade 50 Deep Warm. It honestly leaves your skin looking stunning. The best combo. Just get my mirror ready. Also, I'm wearing a microphone over here, so if I'm rustling too much, I'm so sorry. So my skin is actually all prepped. I used some SPF and I skipped the moisture. I used eye cream though because my skin has been so oily of late. I don't know what's going on. I've got it in my hair. But I love this primer because it gives you like a blurred skin. It's so affordable as well because obviously it's e.l.f. Cosmetics. I feel like it goes with most foundations. I know you're thinking I look a bit ashy right now, but it will fix itself. Let's actually curl these lashes because my lashes are straight. No one believes me, but they're straight. Also, I don't know if you guys know, but I am now married. I got married like about 2 months ago now. It's honestly been a whirlwind. It's so amazing. I don't know if I'll upload like a little video or whatever, but I'm not sure because I like to keep some things private, and getting married is one of them. If you have not checked out my Instagram, there's like a few little bits and bobs on my Instagram, like pictures and stuff, so go check it out. And my primer is all soaked in. I honestly love this foundation. It's so high quality but super affordable. Taking my Hourglass brush, and I should be color correcting, but I just am not the biggest fan of color correcting sometimes. Like, I really have to be in the mood. Like, if I know I was going to get like my photos professionally taken, if I was going like on a red carpet or something, then yeah. But in general, day-to-day life and like events, I just skip color correcting. Did you see the coverage and how flawless this makes my skin look? I've literally used up everything that was on there because I'm really trying to get a nice base. And I don't care what anyone says, these Hourglass brushes are honestly worth the purchase. They are so soft. I've never used anything as amazing as this, and the way it just applies makeup, stunning. Water break. So I was looking for this for the longest time. It was in my travel makeup bag. This is the NYX Cosmetics Pro Fix Stick Concealer, Correcting Concealer. And this is in the shade Sienna, number 14. Honestly, it's gorgeous. It just, if you've like suffered from creasing or anything, this is really good because it's almost like a cream powder finish. And I have eye crease. Like, nothing in this world is going to stop it from happening. And I just accept that. But this is gorgeous and kind of like minimizes it. It's not as bad as it usually is. But yeah, this concealer just blends out lovely. Sometimes I wear it on its own without any powder if I'm doing like a really natural makeup look, and it works. Definitely get it, and it's again super affordable. And if someone is quite dark under eyes, this is perfect. Also, if you hear that like whirring sound in the background, that is my robot hoover. I'm actually going to go in with two concealers from Hourglass. It is Umber and Teak. Is that correct? No, Umber and Maple, as I just find they just give you that flawless under eye look. A little bit of the deeper shade here. Keep this like to under my eye. I shouldn't need a mirror because like you want to make sure you're looking up when you're blending in your concealer. Then taking Maple on the back of my hand, using this really pointy brush and stippling it under my eye. And like I have a dark area here, that is literally the hollowness of my eyes. So no amount of color correction or concealer is going to get rid of that. So if you have it, just pretend like it doesn't exist. Let's just say I barely used up all of that concealer. Got my sponge from Vieve Muse. This sponge, I really am loving it at the moment. It's just like the perfect consistency. You know, the beauty blender, like the original beauty sponge, when it first came out and it was like the perfect texture. This is what this sponge reminds me of, because I feel like now the beauty blender sponges aren't like they've done something to it and it just doesn't seem right. So I haven't used them in a while. I've been using Clomana's beauty sponges, which I love as well. But this right now has been in my constant like use, not even rotation, use. I'm actually not going to wipe off this excess because I'm going to use it once we do my favorite part, which is bronzing. Just waiting for my Hoover to stop making noise. So at the moment, this is my go-to bronzer. It's from H&B Cosmetics and it's in shade 08 and it's the perfect reddish tone for me. I love a red tone bronzer. I don't know about you guys, but for deeper skin tones, if you want to look like you've been kissed by the sun, this is what you need. And it just blends in beautifully. I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics brush, putty bronzer brush. It's like the perfect angle shape for bronze product. So this has been my go-to brush at the moment. I like bronzer on my chin as well. And I kind of drag it out. Right, so that brush that we use under my under eye, like this really small one, just taking that and whatever. Oh, there's a little brush. Oh, is that my hair? I'm just cutting under my cheekbones lightly and taking my foundation brush. Why does my hair want to be a part of? There we go. I'm blending that out. Just a snatch under the jawline. Oh my god, this construction work that's been going on here since I moved to this building, like I want to say almost 2 years ago. It's just driving me nuts. Like every day, construction. I can't film anything without there being loads of noise. So for blush, we've got two options: the Juvia's Place blush in Coral Rose or the Camo Liquid blush from e.l.f. in Bronze Bombshell. I love both these shades because they're like that bronze blonding kind of shade, and I would usually use Juvia's Place, but I find that especially for my UK peeps, they're so hard to get a hold of. So we're going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics blusher. Oh my god, can I open this? I'm going to use my Patrick Tar brush. I love this brush. It just fits perfectly for blush. Just blending this, like spreading it all around. Really work that into the brush. And applying this on my cheekbones, bringing it up to my eye. And I like to bring my blush into the very center of my face as well. I just feel like it looks cute on me when I smile. It's just stunning. It photographs beautifully as well. Depends on the look I'm going for. But this is usually what I would go for. And some of my nose as well. And my chin. I love blush on my chin. Don't know about you guys, but I love blush. There, it just looks really good to me. It's a lot of blush, I know, but trust me, it's gonna be stunning. Gonna take my banana bread powder from Huda Beauty. I'm so late. I only discovered this year. It's honestly gorgeous. I can't believe it took me so long to try Huda Beauty. I don't know where I've been living, but it's so stunning. The rest on the back of my hand. But like, how flawless is that under eye now? Like, you guys saw how dark my under eyes are. This routine just works for me so well. Under my chin, eye area as well. Figure under your cheekbone. So I actually take the side that has barely any product in and kind of like blend in that under cheekbone area because I don't want any more powder on there. So now you're thinking, what about your brows? I do my brows like semi-last because they stress me out. So I'd rather not do them at the start. Otherwise my makeup would just never be done or sorted. So that's why my brows are like last minute. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Bomb Brow. This is in the shade 7 Black Brown. And I'm using this as I just like to trace my brows. My brows are like the bane of my life. I'd just rather not have to do them. If I could pay someone to come do my brows every day for me in the morning, I would 100% do that. We're just doing what we can do. And then I like this Loreal brow lamination, 24-hour hold. Usually I do the brow lamination first. It just depends on how I'm feeling on the day, but today I decided to do my brows first. I know what you're thinking, you should probably have done this before your makeup, but I just don't have the energy. I actually will come back to them because I always come back to my brows. If I spend too much time on it, I would look like crazy. So let's just move on. The cheeks and the face. So I think I want to add a tiny bit more bronzer to my face. This is the Iconic London bronzer in Warm Deep Bronze. It's not a very like harsh bronze, it's very light bronze. That's why I like it, because if you don't want to like be overly bronze but you just want a bit of color to your skin, this one is perfect. I'm gonna use this big brush and I just sweep that over my eyes. This makeup look is slowly coming in, looking good. I think for my eyes I wanted to do the Refy Mascara. I actually really love this. I've heard like quite a bit of mixed reviews. People aren't that keen, but I feel like it just looks really nice if you take your time and coat your lashes. I'm gonna have to comb my lashes again because they've dropped. Like I feel like it almost gives you like that falsy lash effect, especially if you've got long lashes. I don't have the longest lashes. I use a lash serum, but it still looks really good. That is one eye with the mascara. It takes a long time, but it is well worth being patient. And this is this eye. Woo! Woo! I think I'm finally done with my mascara. I've been looking for this eyelash comb for ages. This is the best one. It's from Tweezerman, and it's, when I tell you it's like little needles, it's sharp, but it separates those lashes perfectly. Just don't jerk yourself in the eye, because I've done it many times and it's painful. Cute, right? So for my blush, I'm actually going to use this blush called French Rosette from Haus Labs. Only a small amount, and I'm going to focus this literally like in the very center of my face. Just like a transition shade. It's just like the smallest amount. Goes a very long way. I'm using this Bombshell from, it's not Bombshell, Build a Brow from Maybelline. And I like one here. Beauty marks just make your makeup look so much better. Redraw this one. I've got one little one here. Now, if you're like me, you're a little bit of a sucker for a slightly brighter under eye. I'm going to take this powder from House Labs, no, Hourglass. And this one is the translucent airbrush, sorry, the Vanish airbrush Vanish airbrush press powder in translucent tan, and the smallest amount under my eye. And that brush I used, I'm just going to take it again, just make sure to blend that all together. This is my blush brush. So I'm going to set my face with the Vieve Muse setting mist. Let me just protect my lashes. Water break. I fancy a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line because I have baby lashes. It's all coming together very slowly. I'm obsessed. I'm liking it. I'm loving the makeup. I'm loving the makeup. Okay. My lashes dry. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I don't like my skin to look this matte. Like this is a bit matte to me. I don't mind a matte makeup look, but I do like a bit of glow. So I'm going to use this from Nude Stix. This is their Nudies Glow All Over Face Highlight Colour. This one is in Ice Ice Baby. It's gorgeous. Looks like this. If it wasn't this, it would be the Patrick Tar Face Glow Highlighters in the shade Daddy. Let's use my finger because I find that sometimes if you go straight in, you will just pick up the makeup that you've done whereas in your finger you have more control. Lip liner, Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Cocoa. Let me just sharpen it. These lip liners are gorgeous. I just have to say, they sharpen beautifully and they just, like, they're the perfect texture. I don't know how else to explain it. So for my lip, it's a very difficult choice because I've got my Rhode Salty Tan, which is what I usually go for. It's just like a gorgeous shade of nude pink, or the MUA Cosmetics Hydra Juice lip balm. This one is in caramel glaze. Lip oil, sorry, not balm. Or Berry Bliss. I don't know what to go for in my Rhode, just because I love this like colour so much. It's just my go-to for this kind of look. So Salty Tan it is. If it's not Salty Tan, it's going to be Toast. Like those two shades. Toast used to be my go-to, but ever since I got Salty Tan, yeah, this is me. It's gorgeous. How could you not love this colour? It's just gorgeous. It's literally my perfect nudie pink. Oh, let's curl those lashes. I'm going to use this lash curler from MUA Cosmetics. It's honestly so cute. See my lashes just lifted. I can't deal. A spoolie. But anyway, that is the makeup look completed. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed with this type of makeup. It's just me as a makeup. Like if I could to make this a mask and I could just take it off and put it back on when I'm ready to wear makeup, I totally would. I'm so obsessed. I love this makeup look. Like I can't stop looking at myself. It's so glowy, it's so cute, it's bronzy, and yeah. I'm proud of myself. I look cute. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one, which will be next week, Saturday again. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye.